Hello, hello. Today we are going to play with the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum, 1% pure hyaluronic acid. This has been out for a while. I've wanted to try it out. It was kind of expensive. Let's see how much it was. I think that's why I was holding off on trying it, because it was so expensive. Yeah, this is $20. This is $15 at Target, $20 at Ulta, and $13.65 on Amazon. 20 bucks for a skin tint. Well, seems kind of expensive, but for drugstore stuff, I don't know. Okay, let's go ahead and read about it. So I got the shade 3 to 4 light medium. L'Oreal's True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum contains 1% hyaluronic acid and instantly brightens, evens, and hydrates skin. Hyaluronic acid gives skin a hydrated feel and smooths over time. Instantly, skin looks brighter, even, and feels hydrated. Luminous mineral pigments brighten complexion. I don't think I'm gonna like that, but it might be good for some of you that like more of a glowy finish. That's it. That's all. That's all they say about it. How to use: shake well before using. Apply few drops directly to your face using finger to blend, starting at the center, working your way outward. Can be worn alone or layered with other makeup, skincare products. So not much about it. All I did was my sunscreen today because I feel like this is going to be very dewy. We might need to set this down with a powder. So yeah, so I just have my sunscreen on. I don't really have any, like, my moisturizer is pretty thick, so I didn't put that on. It seems pretty liquidy, and you know I hate a dropper. So we're not starting off on the right foot. Again, I got shade 3 to 4 light medium. And I don't know, it might be a little light for me. Let's just see. Let's just go ahead and slap her on. I'm gonna use my fingers for the first side, and then we'll use a brush for the other side and see how it goes. Just gonna rub this in. I've been liking using my fingers because I feel like it heats the product up, but it also just it takes a lot of product to get where you wanna go. I did a couple drops, and I don't know if we're doing much. Well, I'm gonna use a brush, so I'm gonna go get a brush. They're currently emptying the trash cans apparently, so if you hear loud banging, that's what that is. My allergies are so bad, I feel like my eyes are so red. Oof. I don't know what is going on this year. Okay, we're gonna do a couple more drops on the back of our hand. We're gonna use a brush to try to build this up and see where it gets us. I honestly do not feel like this is doing a damn thing. Look. I don't think it's doing a damn thing. Okay, well, I'm gonna finish the other side and see what we can do here. See, these droppers and these like thin formulas, I just feel like it takes so much to get anything out of it. Let me try the other side and stamp. Dude, I don't know if we're doing anything. I don't know if there's any coverage at all. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna put on a little concealer because I want a little bit of coverage on my inner eyes. Let me go grab some concealer. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty concealer that I just tried and liked. We'll add a little bit of, just a dabble, do ya? I used my finger with this when I tried it out. Let me try it with a brush. Okay, maybe I take it back. Maybe it is softening, like I have this blemish right here. I think it is softening it a little bit. I don't know, I have a feeling I might like this more than I'm, itchy nose, more than I'm thinking right now. Okay, we have everything all applied. This is the finished look. I think it has more coverage than I'm thinking. And I think it looks nicer than I'm thinking. I don't know. I'm gonna stop looking in the mirror. We're gonna carry on with our day. I'll check in later and let you know what's the tea. This could not be any more of a real update. I literally just woke up from a nap and probably rubbed most of this off. But at least like the lights aren't crazy. Like when I'm downstairs at this time of day. So anyway, so I wanted to wrap this up and give you my final thoughts. So this ended up being a lot better than I thought it was going to be, for sure. I liked it on the skin. It's probably all gone at this point. I liked it on the skin quite a bit. It's definitely more of a matte formula, which was interesting. It was kind of like a little bit radiant, but not dewy. It had like little flecks in it that kind of grabbed the light, which was cool, but not like overly done. but then it was kind of like more of a matte finish. So that was really interesting to figure out. But so I did enjoy that. So you know what? It did get a little bit like streaky around my nose. So that was something to note. But I think I'm gonna keep playing around with this. I do like it. It's a very light coverage, but it did feel like hydrating. It was a little bit more matte. And yeah, I think I'm gonna play around with it a little bit more, but my initial thoughts are that I like this. And it's not bad. If you just want like a really sheer light coverage to kind of even things out, not bad at all, actually. I'd probably give it a B or B plus, maybe. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. And this is an interesting wrap up, I know. I will link down below all of my other reviews, a playlist to all my other reviews, so check that out. Hit that subscribe button to check out the rest of my content. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. And thank you so much again, and I will check you on the next one.